friends, this is Romy from Romy's Life, and today I'm coming at you with a mini cleaning kind of like my microwave. Sorry about the angle is a little awkward. Uh, and also, I'm showing you what I eat in a day of being off for me and my family. I'm not sponsored by any of the products that I have in here. My inspiration was another YouTube channel, it's a vegan channel, and it they have similar meals, but my meals were more mostly vegetarians. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and give it thumbs up. And now I leave you with the video. Goodbye. So after cleaning the microwave, I decided it was time to actually work on the breakfast for my kids. My boys love bacon, and even though I'm trying to transition from being a meat eater to a vegetarian and eventually become vegan, I'm not restraining them for eating what they like. I feel like this is a very personal journey. And of course, I was raising them as meat eaters, so I did not want to deprive them of that. So what I did here, I was just cutting my tomatoes and creating a BLT for them. And instead of using regular chips, I decided to give my son oranges. Something else that I also forgot to mention, I normally take when I'm making sandwiches, and not in a sandwich bread, but like in a baguette or like a French style of sandwich. I normally take some of the inside of the bread out. I feel like it's a lot of bread, so I normally kind of like make a pocket that I can put my veggies and my ham and cheese or whatever I'm using in the sandwich. That way they can eat that. And as you can see, I'm using regular mayonnaise. I'm not using vegan mayonnaise on them. If they eventually, I'm planning to transition them to the vegan mayonnaise. That way we can all use the same thing, but not at the moment. This is just to start out the porridge that I was making, the banana porridge. I use plant-based milk this time. This is my first time using this milk. It's from the brand Boathouse. I got this from Kroger if you are interested, and I also have some vegan crack butter. I forgot what's the name of the brand. So right here, just mashing the bananas, and this is gonna go into the porridge. The porridge is nothing else but fruits and oatmeal, but that is the name that it was used for the young lady that actually I watched her vegan channel. She is in the UK. So after further research, I realized this is the technically a fancy oatmeal. So right here I have the milk, and I have the butter is already melted in the milk, and I'm just pouring the oatmeal, and I'm going to actually add the banana. and the cinnamon. The banana already has cinnamon, and also I'm gonna put some honey. Honey make this dish actually vegetarian, but if you are completely plant based or trying to become vegan, if you want to try this dish, you will have to use, if you wanna, of course, if you want to have some sort of sugar in there, you will have to use maybe coconut sugar. That you can use that. I was trying to get my almond. I couldn't find my almond flavor, but whatever. The vanilla do the job. So yes, this is just a vegetarian dish, but you can actually make it vegan and taking out the honey. So now right here, what I'm doing is just letting the couscous rest on the stove. I have my golden couscous in water, warm water, with a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. That way they can, the actual grain can open up and be good to go. So right now I'm just making my. This is a very simple salad. Technically, these salads should have onions, but my oldest son don't eat onions, so it's just cucumbers, tomatoes, and avocado with a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil and lemon to give it some flavor, and that's it. That's all you need, and it's very satisfying and it's awesome and refreshing for summer days. Also, I wanted to add with the couscous, um, it has tofu that I have made previously, and also I have mixed it with some chickpeas that I have. So I mixed all that together because I didn't want it to go to waste, and this was already seasoned, so I didn't have to put too many flavors on the couscous. It just acquired the flavor from the chickpeas and the tofu that I had cooked the prior day. And now, this is just the couscous with the chickpea. Now I'm putting my little green salad on the side, and you guys are going to see how it looks all together. And I have my lemon water as well that I'm going to be drinking with that. And this is all, folks. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Give it thumbs up if you like it. That way I can make more videos like this for y'all. Goodbye.